Hi students, in this video we will learn what are transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Students, let us learn what is transpose of a matrix. Students, let A be any m by n matrix, then transpose of A means interchanging of rows into columns and columns into rows. The transpose of a matrix is written as A dashed or AT. Students, here C is a matrix of m by n order. Therefore, AT is a matrix of n by n order. Students, let A be a matrix A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Then A dash equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Here C rows are transforming into columns. Here C it is 2 by 3 and 80 or A dashed is 3 by 2 order. Students, let us learn properties of transpose of a matrix. Suppose A be any matrix, then equal to A. Secondly, let A be any matrix and lambda be any scalar. Then lambda into A, its transpose equal to lambda into transpose of A. Students, let A and B be two matrices of same order. Then A plus B its transpose equal to and transpose of A minus B equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Let us learn the fourth important property. Let A, B be two matrices of m by n and n by p order respectively. then we can write A into B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Students, let us learn the fifth property. Let A, B, C, K be square matrices of same order. Then A into B into C into K, its transpose equal to students, whenever A, B, C, K be square matrices of same order, transpose of A into B into C into K equal to A dash into C dash into B dash into A dash, and we can write A plus B plus C plus K, its transpose equal to students. Here see A, B, C, K be square matrices of same order. So we can write A plus B plus C plus K, then its transpose equal to A dash plus B dash plus C dash plus K dash. Students, A matrix A, B, A square matrix. Let A be a square matrix. Then if AT equal to A, that is transpose of a matrix A equal to A, then A is called symmetric. Students, let A be a matrix where it is A, B, C, B, D, E, C, E, F. Clearly, AT equal to, we can write the rows into columns A, B, C, then B, D, E, B, D, E, these rows into second column and third rows into third column, C, E, F. Students, here see the two matrices A and AT are equal. Here A is A, B, C, A, B, C, B, D, E, B, D, E, C, E, F, C, E, F. Therefore, A equal to AT. Hence, A is symmetric. Students, in symmetric matrix, Aij equal to Aji for all ij. Students, whenever Aij is the element of ith row and jth column equal to Aji for all ij, the matrix A is called symmetric matrix. So this property is very important in symmetric matrix. Students, a matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if AT equal to minus A. That is, if Aij equal to minus Aji for all ij. Students, obviously Aii equal to minus Aii, that is Aii equal to 0. Students, here the important property is that in skew symmetric matrix the diagonal elements must be 0. So we can write, suppose A is a skew symmetric matrix, so it can be written as 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Students, here see all the diagonal elements are 0. A matrix of this form is called skew symmetric matrix. Students, let us learn some important properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Let A, B any square matrix then A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Secondly, then A into A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Students, let us consider the second problem. Let A and B be two matrices are symmetric or skew symmetric. Then A plus B also symmetric or skew symmetric. Students, let A and B be two symmetric matrices. So A plus B is also symmetric matrix. Again, if we consider A and B be two matrices skew symmetric, so A plus B also skew symmetric. Students, let us consider the third problem. If A and B be two symmetric matrices of same order, then AB is also symmetric if AB equal to BA, that is their product is commutative. Students, suppose A and B are two symmetric matrices, then their product AB will be symmetric only when AB equal to BA, that is the product of the two matrices is commutative. The fourth property, an important property, very important property. Any square matrix can be expressed uniquely as a sum of two matrices one is symmetric and the other is skew symmetric. Students, this property is very important of skew symmetric and symmetric matrices. Any matrix A can be written as sum of two matrices A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash, where A plus A dash is symmetric and half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric. And this is symmetric. Let us learn the fifth property. If A and B be two square matrices of same order, then B dash into A into B is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Students, let us learn if AB any symmetric matrix then A to the power n is also symmetric, where n belongs to n. N is any positive integer or a natural number. Similarly, if A be a skew symmetric matrix, then a to the power n will be symmetric if n is even integer and a to the power n will be skew symmetric if n is an odd integer. Students, here see, if A is symmetric, then a to the power n is also symmetric for all n, where n is any integer. But whenever A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A square a to the power 4 is symmetric, that is when n is even integer, but a to the power n will be skew symmetric when n is odd integer. Students, let us learn if A and B be two symmetric matrices of same order, then AB plus BA is symmetric and AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Students, here I have given some properties of skew symmetric and symmetric matrices. All these properties are important for matrices. In joint entrance exam, all the properties are very important. So I advise you to follow all the properties. Students, let here be any matrix. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us express A as a sum of two matrices. One is symmetric and the other is skew symmetric. Here P dash equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, let us find A plus A dash equals to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 8, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 6, 9 plus 9. So equals to 2, 6, 10, 6, 10, 14, 10, 14, 18. Therefore, half into A plus A dash equal to, we simply divide all the elements by 2. So we get it is 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. Suppose it is B. Therefore B dash equal to 135. Here we write 135 rows into columns, 357, 357, 579, 579. So clearly B equal to B dash. Therefore A plus A dash or half into A plus A dash is symmetric. Now let us find A minus A dash. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, 3 minus 7, minus 4, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 5 minus 5, that is 0, 6 minus 8, that is minus 2, 7 minus 3, it is 4, 8 minus 6, that is 2, 9 minus 9, that is 0. Therefore half into A minus A dash equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0. Suppose it is C. Students, here C dash equal to, we can write 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. So if we take common minus 1 from each row, we can write this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, which is nothing but C. Here C is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, that is C. So we get A equal to B plus C, where B is a symmetric matrix and C is skew symmetric. And B is symmetric, and you have seen B equal to half A plus A dash and C is half A minus A dash. So B plus C equal to A. Students, in this video you have learned properties of transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. Students, matrix is a new concept. For this you have to follow all the rules explained here. Students, here all the properties are very much important for your higher secondary and joint entrance exam. So to crack joint entrance exam, you must follow all the rules properly. Thank you for watching my video.